Courtney Brown from Axios. I guess, we talked about some of the indications of potential layoffs, price hikes, an economic slowdown, all being evident in the soft data. I'm curious why the Fed needs to wait for that to translate into hard data to, make any type of monetary policy decision, especially if the hard data is not as timely or might be warped by tariff-related effects. Are you worried that the soft data might be some sort of false warning?
No, I mean, look at the state of the economies. The labor market is solid, inflation is low. We can afford to be patient as things unfold. There's no real cost to our waiting at this point. Also, the sense of it is we're not sure what the right thing will be. There should be some increase in inflation. There should be some increase in unemployment. Those call for different responses. And so until we know, potentially call for different responses. And so, until we know more, we have the ability to wait and see. And it seems to be a pretty clear decision. Everyone on the committee supported waiting. And so that's why we're waiting.
Just a very quick follow-up. There was this sort of vibe session, if you will, where the sentiments expressed in soft data did not translate into the hard economic data. How are you thinking about that when interpreting some of the signs in the softer survey data?
I think going back a number of years, the link between sentiment data and consumer spending has been weak. It's not been a strong link at all. On the other hand, we haven't had a move of this, speed and size. So it wouldn't be the case that we're looking at this and just completely dismissing it. But it's another reason to wait and see. You're right, though. We had a couple of years during the pandemic where people were saying just very downbeat surveys and going out and spending money. So that can happen, and that may happen to some degree here. We just don't know. This is an outsized change in sentiment, though, and so none of us is looking at this and saying that we're sure one way or the other. We're not.